In this video, we will see how to apply transition to text in PowerPoint. So friends, before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get such a informative videos. Then let's start today's video. First of all, we will change the background of the slide. Then close. Now go to the Insert tab and choose a word art style from the word art gallery and then customize the text as you want. After this, go to Home tab and select Font. And here we will write just as example as text effect. Font size 180. Go to Format, Align Middle, and we'll also change the color. Then go to Transition. Choose a special effect for the transition between the previous slide and this slide. We will choose Vortex effect. Now go to the Effect option and select each slide to see the effect. So see friends, our text effect slide is ready. If you like the video, then like it. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and also share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.